So I thought we could make brownies for our new neighbors that just moved in.
Yay!
Okay. Nicholas, do you know what a recipe is? I think you do.
Yes, it's instructions for making the brownies. Whatever we're gonna make.
A recipe is instructions for making brownies or whatever you're going to make. So the first thing that's listed on any recipe is a list of the ingredients. Can you tell us what ingredients we need to make brownies? Wait, did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Okay.
1.5 cup of water.
1/2 cup of water.
1/3 cup vegetable oil.
1/3 cup vegetable oil.
And 1 egg.
1 egg. Okay.
1 egg.
Now after the list of ingredients on a recipe, what do we have?
Instructions.
Instructions, and they're listed step by step. Every recipe is organized that way. All right, first thing, Hannah Lynn, what's the first thing we do?
Heat oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a shiny metal pan or 325 degrees Fahrenheit for dark. Non-stick or glass pan. Grease bottom of pan. That's all number 1.
Okay, so why do we preheat the oven, Nicholas?
To make it warmer so the brownies can get in.
We preheat the oven so it's warm enough to bake the brownies, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go.
Nice.
Next thing. Oh, you know what? You want to spray the pan?
Yeah.
Why do you have to spray the pan?
So that nothing sticks.
All right. All right, Nicholas, second step. See your number 2?
Yes.
All right, what you say?
Stir brownie mix. Add water, oil, and eggs.
Okay, that's good, that's good.
Sorry! It really came out quick!
It's okay. Here, wipe your hands.
There was better.
Yeah, wipe it around. Good, good. So spread it all around. There you go. Do you need a clean one for your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, go ahead.
Stir brownie mix.
Brownie mix.
Add water, oil, and eggs
Alright.
in medium bowl until well blended.
All right, let's pour the brownie mix
Bread
in.
and ham.
All right.
How much water do we need?
So brownie mix water. Well,
It just
remember
said-
at the top it said 1/4. This, what's another, what could you say instead of 1/4?
Can you cook the egg?
1/4. Can you go get us 1/4 of water?
Mom,
Can you
look,
crack
there
the
are
egg?
chocolate chunks in there.
Chocolate chunks in there. Look at that. That makes all brownies better. Hard, real hard. There you go. There you go. Good job, buddy. All right, you cracked the egg. Now this, you have to be really careful. It said 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Can you carefully pour that in? And you already cracked the egg, so I think we have everything. Brownie mix. Is the brownie mix in there, Hannah Lynn?
Yeah.
How about the water?
Mm-hmm.
Oil?
Mm-hmm.
Egg?
Mm-hmm.
Super. Oh, we just have to stir it up. You want to stir first?
Then do we get to eat some?
Oh,
No, we don't.
Stir, stir, stir. Good job. So we combined all the ingredients. What's combined mean?
I'll mix them all together.
Mix it all together. Combine and mix it all together.
Do we have to blend them too, Mom?
What do you mean?
Like, is it stirring not going to be enough? Don't you have to blend brownies with a mixer blender?
Oh, use a blender. I see.
Yeah.
Well, I think you can do it by hand. I think if we take turns, we can mix it. We can mix it
okay.
enough so we don't need the blender.
I've only blended it, so I didn't do.
It takes a little more work.
No, it's hard. When we put the vegetable oil in, why do we need that?
I think the vegetable oil makes the texture a little more moist.
Mm.
All right, you did a great job mixing. So now we have to do what?
Put it in the pan. Put it in the pan.
Pour it in the pan.
Oh, goody.
This is heavy.
So is it basically a cake, but then we take a knife and make them into smaller pieces?
Well, yeah, but you can do that with a cake too, right?
Yeah.
You know what I'm going to do instead of a spoon? And I know everyone wants to lick the spoon.
Yes.
But
A
I'm
big
going to use a
spoon?
spatula.
Oh, cool.
Why do you think I'm using a spatula?
Because it's bigger and it helps you. Because it's flexible
It is frostball. See how it's made of rubber right there? And it has that curve to it. Don't lick it. So it helps, look, I got all the batter out using the spatula.
And then we can wash it.
So less for us to clean.
Is a bone. But less for us to lick.
And less for us to lick, that's right. So I thought while we bake our brownies, should we write a nice note for our new neighbors?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Do you want to write a nice note? What kinds of things should we say?
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Welcome to the neighborhood. What do you think, Nicholas?
You should come join us for a party one day.
Oh, that'd be nice. Invite them over so we can get to know them. That's a very good idea. So we'll write a note while our brownies bake.
Yeah.
Nice job. Good teamwork.